Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to Comcast Local Edition. It's a local organization that is truly a gem in Pittsburgh. We are talking about the Children's Home of Pittsburgh and the Lemieux Family Center. And joining us in our studios right now is its CEO, Pam Schanwald. Thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today.
Well, thank you for having me.
So begin by telling me a little bit more about the Children's Home.
The Children's Home was founded in 1893. We have three wonderful and unique programs. Our adoption program, which has been around since 116 years. And we have a hospital, a pediatric specialty hospital, also known as Transitional Infant Care. It was founded in 1984 and has expanded dramatically in our new home on Penn Avenue. And then we have Child's Way, which is daycare for medically fragile children.
And in each of these programs, you really help people who otherwise you might wonder, where would folks go?
Oh my gosh. What's so wonderful is we're a small organization and we really get to know everybody. The care is exquisite and it really is one-to-one care so that the family's needs are all being met while they're staying with us. And we have the luxury of working with them. I mean, the nurse-to-patient ratio is much lower than it is in other organizations. We have a social worker on staff. We have a whole lot of support staff that's there to make sure that the families feel comfortable in whatever circumstance they're in.
Right. And when it comes in particular to the little hospital, these are babies not quite ready to go home yet, but sort of well enough to leave the hospital, but still need intensive care.
Right, right. We've expanded the transitional infant care concept. So on Penn Avenue, we have a 28-bed pediatric specialty hospital. And not only are we serving the neonatal population, but we're also helping older children. So we have children who have cystic fibrosis, who are post or pre-transplant patients. The oldest patient that we've served has been 17 years old. And these are kids that would otherwise languish in an acute care facility for a period of time. So it's a nice place for them to go as they get ready to go home.
That is so supportive and so great for the families. And I know in the middle of all of this, you're always still trying to raise money. And so you have a big event coming up, and let's talk about that.
Yes, it's wonderful. It's our 9th annual Shake Your Booties event. And it's going to be held at Hyde Park Prime Steakhouse on the north side. Okay. It's the first nonprofit event that they've ever had there, I hear. So we're excited to use the venue. And we sell tickets to the event. There are corporate sponsorships as well. And we really appreciate the support from the community. We're looking at having 400 guests that night.
Wow. We should tell folks, when will it take place?
It'll be March 20th.
And so we'll put on the screen website and phone number where folks at home can go for more information about the Children's Home and then also about the event. And so when you're working on this and you're planning this and putting it together, what do you want folks to know about where the money that is raised, where it goes?
Well, the money goes to support the families. There's a lot of things that aren't covered by third-party payers. We do have a free care fund similar to other organizations, and we help families buy all the equipment that they might need so that they can be successful at home and care for their children. It might be a specialized wheelchair, or it might be a pack and play that they need, or a crib. And obviously you're not going to get insurance money to cover that. Mm-hmm. But we want to make sure that we can help the families as best we can. I did want to call out to Georgette Pascal and Rob Lepre and thank them so much. They are the chairs of the Shake Your Booties event this year.
And any idea how much money you hope to raise?
We hope to bring in about $125,000.
Wow, and that money makes such a difference in people's lives.
Absolutely.
Well, Pam,
Absolutely.
We thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today. We certainly do appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm Tonya Caruso. Thanks for watching Comcast Local Edition. We'll send you back now to HLN.